Hi, welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson, I'll be showing you how to create a carousel ad. A carousel ad is like a normal Facebook ad, but with the option that you can use an image, multiple images or video on the ad instead of a single post. This is especially good for e-commerce website or people who sell products online. You can display multiple products. So let's just go and create the ad. So the first thing we want to do is hit our create button. For if you have a website, you would have to go with this conversion objective. But I'm actually running this ad. With this example, I'm running it to a WhatsApp group. So I will, instead of using the traffic objective, I want to use the conversion objective. Okay, so hit continue. Sorry for the delay. Okay, so yeah, as we do, you just name your campaign. Okay, so you scroll down. If you are going to have multiple ad sets in a campaign, you can turn on campaign budgets optimization, which aims to spend all your budgets wisely for each ad set. But I like turning it on anyways, so I'm just going to use this. And then daily budget, I'm going to set my daily budget as just 600 naira. Okay, so it's next. Okay, so you name the ad set as well. If you are using multiple audiences, you have to name each ad set a unique name, but I'm just using one ad set, so still board gains advance. Now a conversion event, I'm just going to pick one, since actually I'm not optimizing for it. But if you have if you have an e-commerce website, you want to like optimize for maybe purchase here, or you want to optimize for initiate checkout or add to carts. But this one, I just want people to visit to join the group, so I'm just going to pick view content. Now I could do it in a way that here I can change this conversion. I can change it to landing page views, but I won't do that for this ad. So let's just go back. I think I have that selected. Then schedule the start and end date. I want this ad to run for 2 weeks, so let me 12 days, so August 24, to end by 12 p.m. Let's see, I have a preset audience. So I'm just going to go with that. I actually want to check 2 audiences, so let me see. Living board gains. Okay, so we'll wait for the audience to load. My system is lagging. It's been working. Okay, so I have it. I have that. I think this is everything here. So let us go to the ad proper. This is where would the type of ad that we want to run. So let's see, I'll still name it board gains. Board gains advance. Yep. The name of the page, Eddie Levy. Okay, so this is the type of the structure of your ad. So instead of choosing a single image or video, we are going to choose a carousel ad. So that's good. All right. Okay. So you see, you now have I think we have 3 cards here. You can add more to the cards. So we'll be populating these cards now. Actually, I want to use the first card. I want it to be a video. So I'm going to add a video card. So this is it. I want it to be the first card that people see when they see the ad. So I'm going to move it to the top, and then I'm going to populate. I'm going to edit it. So I'm going to select the video. I have some videos on my ad account already, so I'm actually relevant to the ad that I want to run. So let's let the video load. But if you do not have the video on your ad account, you can upload here as well. Okay, so okay, I have this one already. Okay, so it's selected. Then you hit continue. So your carousel card needs an headline and a website URL. So for this, we'll headline, and if you have websites, you can just put your website link there, or your WhatsApp group link, because your WhatsApp group link is actually like a URL link as well. So let's see. First let me paste the text so I can copy the link from there. Okay, so I have it now. So I just copy this, the group link. I just copy the group link. Okay, copied. Okay, then I come here and I paste. Okay, so I go back to my carousel card as well. Go to my carousel card and I paste. And I paste. Okay, so that's done. So for any card that you do not want to use, right now we have 4 cards here. So I actually want to use just 2 or 3. So this one I don't need it. I don't need it at all. So I'm going to remove it. I'm going to remove the card. You delete it. But the least you can use is actually 2. So it's deleted. It is deleted. So we have 3 here. So the first thing we did for the first card, which is populating it, we are going to do for the other cards as well. We're going to do it for the other cards as well. So after you've populated the cards, here you can change the the call to action. Sorry, I scrolled down. Okay, you can change the call to action to, depending on the if you are directing to an e-commerce website, you can select the shop now button or subscribe button if you are selling a subscription service. Contact us if you want people to reach out to you, but we actually want people to learn more about the group that we are promoting. So I'm going to leave it with the learn more ad. You see here it's giving me error, missing or inconsistent assets. That is because I have not populated these two cards, which I will do before I hit the publish button. After you've populated these two, you can check here to review all your website events, and then you just click publish. And when you click the publish button, your ad is done and it will be reviewed. After it's been reviewed, if you have ticked all Facebook guidelines and everything, the ad should be active. So in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to create a lead generation ad. A lead generation ad is when you want to collect customer details on a Facebook ad. So they will fill a form on Facebook. So in the next lesson, I'm going to be showing you that. So just stay tuned and enjoy the training.